Hakuna Matata, my country people are throwing a big salute for outside here. You feel call me Michael. Call me Congo Saman. I don't come again for takes time, bring on a story the way it takes time, make country the shake for this afternoon today, so countryman. We will check out Kontori for talk about for that side for South region, Ebolova, Jandan them, don't do better work, catch you the way that work, not only for sell Tramol for corner road. And so one they talk how na Kitu they can buy them, so one na Kitu they can supply for them for that side. So go check out to talk about rain where it fall. Littoral, it is swim na swim. People themselves, activity they be slow for inside town for say business, you need to flow far away business for them. Maybe all man can open other people them be stuck for house, for struggle for move water for house, all man they swim na swim, even people them for that side for PK 11, PK 10 and so where you no be there for even come for this side from the coast for say bridge it no be there at all. From that side too, we'll carry una go Limbe talk about how Limbe people too they cry about rainway it fall yesterday, even Boya people now are the Chakanotori. They still cry palava rainway it make nya for that side. So they will take una from that side too. We'll take una go Boya for talk about how Oga governor he received material we head boy for that commission for help people for Northwest and Southwest Pa Atango send Kako for saying this so Oga governor na he go control for that side when he go be head boy for 17 they reach for people that so we'll go see how the thing they don't reach for them for that side. We'll talk about palava picking way the thief and two for this side from Bopi Hospital. How it happened? We're not going to find for inside the Tori. But as I come back, we'll enter for inside Tori proper. We will enter for Standard Tori today for talk about things that really happen for inside this country. For that side, for South region, where it takes to happen for that side, Kitu them don't overhear complain. So Oga quarter for Kitu them non very talk say this. So me all police brigade commander me they catch all that picking the way that they send for corner road. So one na eboa them. So one na young boys the way they just come out they still go for Sekuru. So they said the tell kind they want to ask now who the supply una did calculate how una do for can where you see packet for tramway the church is na packet for tomato and they want on a banga where they sell and they say most of the customer they na small picking them and even to say even Kitu them too they always come buy for them like how did my own layman is it so you get customer they when Kitu them where I customer they say we sell plenty we say they are sell plenty for small picking them but it says small picking they always bring it small trouble them small time police don't come in for go give small choco so if you don't stop it for the sale of small picking they only sell for adult for people they can't say now business way it takes that to do for that side for Ebolova but now Eboa you receive for corner road say they sell cigar e capital self e no reach 10,000 but when e reach business capital dey go like another kind 200 and something thousand and na this school e dey make am plenty pikin dem they need to concentrate for school because time when you take that thing you don't need to dream na dream say no life the flow you need to dream na how you go get courage for go take side so the common work as they have commandant the brigade for Legion for that side it takes time for talk and say this so this work now instruction they don't get and they must make all ways say this so may they catch all any man where he sell this for corner road and make sure say me below for that side me any man he live for better and me picking them too they not picking smoke am again the way it takes time to go on for that side but we take time come on for that side for Obolova now the 5 then now they take time to catch and we even a boy and two they take time before that side so but from that side for Obolova may we come back for littoral start with palava rain. This morning time for 7 people then go work Patrick. Some people they reach work for 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. You want to talk saying rain. Yeah? Especially people they stay for quarters and way they so like village and so camping some place on quarter for Bunabedi. When they for them for take start to come on. Patrick make we get the image for how this rain it takes side duty for inside this with town where they take side call and say Douala economic capital where this so rain now be the control people them. This side now for this side they take side call and security for this side in between Wrong Point and play the call say Sanaga. Where you no be there even this other people they take side stand so the one for that bridge where you come on Dokoti you go for that side for PK 10, PK 11 and so where you no be there rain it carry bridge carry and go super and the bridge say they really walk am. Even the secondary road where they be climb for the boy, you try that one. Even Kenu said, you don't be feel struggle for cross. All man begin to give for remain for house. She don't begin wait. Begin wait. Say even at tomorrow the water go finish, they go so cross. People for go walk where you know the you go round. You go round before you come struggle for enter for this side for town. All this one so na palava walk way they need to take self for calculate work for better way and they bridge themselves. If first small. They bring it first small, no small motor, even Gongoro, no. If you try, you go only see that they take certain for other places and so on and take certain how the population. Then this one for this side for Sanaga, we rain to in for that side, don't sweep the children, take and leave one for middle road, contain at them. Rain it is select is that comes small for strip town after they take on a two koro I see how the thing takes us to the happen for inside the country. All man the only one that says so. Escape people will wear. Would this rainway it just start? Whether the one at the 7 days rainway they ever fall for Douala now you don't start to me say me any man job became prepared for buy a bangan boot and changshu how it go take certain water into it do picking them now. All man now you go market the polish you can't finish. Polish you can't finish. Patrick, show we the other students for inside Douala how we would work at today for monitor how we take certain to see and how the thing happen. Show other students so for inside Douala I'm not saying see how when we work for inside Douala we Okara so for see how image and day. You see all side now water. With that like so gutter the no day when I say the gutter they make up it's small. Nothing in the gutter is small now wait you where the rain now it don't just finish crazy. The Patrick just show you two images for that side for Limbe how Limbe people and two better than be followed. Rain fall for that side, sute flop all sides, sute sieve overflow come out. Enter now for inside town. All man for inside town, you food in the enter water. Toilet demo, rain move all things. People that work and mix food with the shit to move and two, they just turn back for that side. Because they never get chop for chop again. The only chop way we did only water. So if you imagine fish, they will give enough chop because time when the water they go back for this water rain go back, it carries small chop, go feed fish for inside water for that side, find both shit and to move all kind of thing for that side. But Ogan government delegate, he come on job became work and take a look at left, right. It's they so man don't die. They say no man never die for the quarter. How many hands don't blow? He say yes, I don't take no writer for paper. So it should say any man with the B house or Limbe, he get for look better foundation. Because water now is the treat. And not been the first time. Not been the first time where Limbe it welcome this kind of thing or this kind of thing it happen for that side for Limbe. Last 2 years it so then at this very kind of thing. But how they go do? Now for go broke another village, so I make water go for that side. No arguing for that one so confirm how this one go take something for happen for inside this we country. We come up for that side for talk about Palava flood this time around. May we carry una go down for that side for ground way. University teachers for that side. See classroom is they empty. So other one them they way small students they come because students be yesterday so teachers they go on strike. So one they no come. But so other teachers they say gang. We not feel live for picking them so out of 18 you see someone that 5 teachers they not come they say this so all one the face at the face say this so me will not die and I want go for go touch the at the time say this so you don't become school why wanna be strike and they say this strike they go on it start yesterday for number 24 day and they say now 4 days today go for number 28 day same go na year for them they don't over write book they need the year they need the reply and the same thing it is so happen they need to give their prim them then you will get for enter for that quad and you need to take sense to come for us so they talk to this so they two way they do and I say me go na no see so them two for that side they vex more and when they call on all the other colleagues all over the Niger State so may they take style for support them for say me this their strike it gets more strength for that side but anyway they will show they come back from Moon and know how the thing they strike it go on whether they so it don't cut or they still continue from that side from Gaundary we take style land for that side for Southwest for talk about how Oga governor for that side, for the Southwest, he takes time receive Kakudwe, head boy for the commission way, Papa Popo, he put a semi any man put hand for qua. Me they move money for buy mattress, then zinc them. Now that camion they wanna see a pack so. That camion them, he carry a zinc, mattress, come back counting them, even soap, rice, kind thing away, all that kako. It will be now for semi they take time for headed people for Northwest and Southwest. So this kako. They only take style say, Oga Governor say, yes, he don't come. Now, na say make the take that see how they go give for Ekona, the one where you go for Kumba, the one where you go for Munyenge, the one where you go for that side and for Bafia, and where people they different for inside bush. Well, that didn't matter. They will fake them in the state of inside bush or the same town. But according to Oga Governor, as he takes time, Chakara the Turi, Patrick, he find them we here for a mob to say. Now he be head boy now for that side for Southwest for concerning this palava, Papa Popol, Papa, matter way you get for help people for North and Southwest. Mr. Patrick. If you make a move here, thing where Oga Governor go tell you concerning thing, what you tell population for that side for Southwest, may they do before they go figure this kakaway, Papa Atango, you don't send up for them.
The same division are to receive, because this is just a quantity. The rest should follow grassroots. But they expect what the government, the head of state, has decided to send for the assistance, and all what the Cameroonians are contributing to assist those displaced population. The last message is that the population should come back to their people must go to receive those assistances, because they cannot receive the assistance when they are still in the bushes. They should come. The forces of law and order are there. The rest of the population, the elite, all the leaders are there to welcome them and to secure them. Very soon, the rest of the material, the zinc, the plan to rebuild, to construct the houses that have been destroyed will come. And we need their presence in their villages, in their homes. It will be done with their collaboration. They will be identified by their leaders, by their traditional rulers, with the GOs, the SDO, the mayors, and from there they will show what has been destroyed, the property that has been destroyed, and from there the administration with the army will assist them to build their property.
As we take side, come on for that side for Southwest, so we even head by for municipal council for that side. Issue day to the battle with the own people there for that side. We palava business people there. They are playing to be turn day lock for Sika City, so they don't respect palava country. So they will take side land this time around. For this side where they take side call and say wait littoral for talk about palava picking with the chief for this side from Bingo. It will go about 2 weeks today. Order to really take step and say so Eric we hate you need to select better. Say pastor for deeper life for that side for Budabedi, he don't send him make it go chief again. Where he no take side no wait till it happen for inside the country, but after we say we take side come on outside, we will find this thing for year clear. Wait till really take time happen before they accuse some young man for yesterday so he don't chief again. And how he do enter from Bingo hospital say Tonton for inside hospital carry pikin comot with her for Wasapita. No man no see am. He the work I sing na on the song. They don't even suspect am. Now for the psychiatric center will take time so go for that side. See for that side for Wasapita where he brother takes time explain for we how the thing it takes time to happen. Now for here pikin the sleep for inside private ward for inside Bingo for the. He takes time now do it. He come for can see brother. Brother a business plan for Bingo. He come with brother play the lock. Whether na the craze he just woke up one time he pass enter for Wasapita. Carry picking for that side, pass with for front security, come on go to stay now for corner leaf and they where the alas go see take side waiting where they catch it with picking for that side when I hate it no be the select better because you say you know be nothing will happen and play where it even go with picking. All man the one hand and say how organ minister going to talk about palava security for Wasapita them, but some person go still enter for Wasapita carry picking say take side go with the car alas carry this boy go down for that side where they take side call and say waiting. For commissariat sees them lucky for the way make 2 days wait sending out for palace them they go judge the matter for court. They say I say so true he hate he need to select better for better way. Alas the alas move back the man eat it for Wasapita for that side. He take a medicine for that side small even though family too they cry say this so they don't go leave that picking over for Wasapita and doctor now talk say this so they don't even give overdose for medicine You see yet, you need to calm down with all man, they only pray for you to do so. Make your skin better way if you go back, go continue your own business for that side for Bunaberi. But any idea tomorrow, people will surely come back for make una hear the interview for hear how he brought the talk because time to he don't allow catch we for inside this man as we go take side for one better for that side will pass young find your way inside this so he must go here true because you too he be man for God. You know like time they talk bad thing for God man in any idea countryman. Now the small today will take side gather for another today, but we'll come back tomorrow for same will take side chakara to for better way according to the law. Even the image of us for Kumbu tomorrow will come back before we chakara. If not, now only tomorrow again we'll come back.